and I believe I've got one DVI for the fourth monitor. And those ports will update to the new IP address, and then theoretically welcome back to Homeland Networks. My name is AJ, and this is episode 7 of my mini-series Homeland Networking, and it's all about the connections of the network and how it all connects together and works as we know the internet and the home network, and how all of these devices work together. Let's get into it. Say sorry in advance that while recording this it is raining, so I'm hoping this quality of the audio turns out okay. First up, in Australia we have NBN, so there's all different types of fibre connections. At my house I've got fibre to the node, or FTTP, so which means there's a fibre cable running from another pit into my node pit, and then from that node pit runs the old copper cable to my house, and then from that copper line that goes into my house we connected a DSL line, which is your old school telephone line, and that line connects to the modem in the rack, and then from the modem we connect Ethernet cables to the switches to provide that network and internet connection for the devices. Every wired device in my house and every type of network rack goes into the back of a patch panel, and then from that patch panel it goes into the switch. So all my wired devices run under the house, so from each room or wherever the device is I've run a cable from under the house into the rack, so it's just all in one spot. It's just a lot easier. I do plan to put in more Ethernet ports in my house, cables if in my office, cables like into the rack from the DVR, from the shed, and it's all run under the house, out of the way. I've got 2 patch panels. I've had comments asking why. I don't know why, I just do. But I do want to fill all the 48 ports one day eventually. DSL connects to your modem, and then that Ethernet cable connects to your switch and your patch panels to get your connection up, and then that's your network connection set up pretty much. Now, because I'm on fibre to the node, I'm very limited on speed, so the maximum speed I can get on my copper line is on a very good night 70, but generally speaking around 40 to 50 megs down, and it's around 18 up, and the upload speed is a lot more consistent than download speed, but I can't get any faster than 70, so I've changed back my plan to the cheaper one. I did look on NBN Co's website, and they reckon by 2025 we should have fibre to the premises around my location, so I am excited for that. But that is episode 7, guys. Hope you enjoyed this. Please leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video. There's a couple of speed tests after this video on the mobile app and base application.